Here he
Hello.
is.
How's it going, mate?
Where are you? You in the barber's?
No, I'm just sat in the bedroom, mate.
Look like you're about to get your hair cut.
I
Swivelly
need
chair.
a cut, to be fair.
Yeah. Yo.
Standing, mate.
How are you, mate?
Yeah, good, bro.
You going out for a run?
Yeah, just about to go.
Yo.
Alright, mate.
How are you?
Yeah, good, you?
Yeah, all good, mate. Just conducting a few interviews. Thanks for doing this. Just one quick question.
It's alright.
This is from Emily. She's 14.
Yeah.
She said, oh, it's a true or false one. Is it true? Thank you. Is it true you only go to away games because you want the fans to love you?
That is false. That was definitely not asked by Emily.
No comment. Just a quick question. Why are Mondays your least favourite day of the week? And that's been sent in from Bagatelle Royal.
Right then, so a lot of the boys think, who am I answering this question to? Like, who's answering?
Bagatelle Royals tweeted it in. Just one question.
Okay.
It's from Jacob, who's 7. Big fan of yours.
Okay.
He says, do you like Lego?
Is that his question?
Yeah, that's his question, mate.
Do I like Lego?
Yeah.
Well, I had a nickname of Lego Head for about 3 years when John Irwin was physio, so
That's strange.
can't say I'm too fond of it, but
No?
no, I don't mind it, yes. I never play it, but I don't mind it.
Alright, mate, that's all we needed to ask. What, you're just a die-hard fan?
Just a die-hard fan, mate, yeah.
Yeah? Who's your favourite player at the current crop?
Probably
You
myself.
don't need to answer, do you? I think everybody knows.
You probably know it. Liam Moore.
Liam Moore, yeah, she's your idol.
Yes, he is, mate.
Oh, cheers. Right, well, next time I see you, hopefully you have got that haircut sorted.
I know. And this tash shave, mate.
Yeah? Thanks for showing me. Confirming what a tash is. Right, cheers, buddy.
Right,
Look
nice
after
one,
yourself.
mate.
See you
See you
later.
in a bit. You too, mate. Bye. Bye.